Hello, this is one more question from parallel lines and angles. The question is, the value of x in the given figure is. So let's find out x. Where is x here? So this is x, which we have to find out. What is the value of this angle is what we are looking for. So let's start solving this example. What I have figured out is this KYZ is one triangle, isn't it? Yeah, so that should be together 180 degree. Okay, and we do not know what part of y is this and what part of z is this. Yeah, but we know that triangle KYZ together should be 180 degree. Yeah, so can we say that angle y of KYZ plus angle z should be equal to 180 minus x? Yeah, because it is this part is x and these together should be 180 minus x. Okay, this is one point we got here. Now if you look at the bigger triangle here, if you look at the bigger triangle here, one of the angle is 75 degree. A part we know of y is 30, a part of z is 25. So can we write another equation here that for triangle XYZ, angle 75 plus angle 30 plus angle 25 and the remaining part, and this remaining part of y and z together is 180 minus x, which is this. Yeah, so 180 minus x should be equal to 180 altogether. Correct? Am I correct? Are you understanding this? What we did here is we do not know these parts of angle y and z, but if you look at the triangle KYZ, these two should be together 180 minus x, because we know only x this part. And if you look at the bigger triangle here, 75 plus this angle total and this angle total, all together should be 180. But we know only part of this and a part of z. And we know that the remaining part together is 180 minus x. Okay, so let's solve this equation further. So 180 on both sides gets cancelled. Yeah. And if you add all this together, it gives you 130 minus x is equal to 0. So your x is equal to 130 degree. This should be your answer. And option B is your correct answer. Okay. I hope you understood this question. If you want any particular question, please comment. I'll explain it to you. Thank you.